Flash Rider.
Now, just beat the boss, then on to level 45.
Flash power activated.
Huh?
Game interrupted by unknown player. Game over.
Come on, Mom.
Playtime can wait, Willie. Your father's making breakfast.
Well, can I first finish this level?
Then make up your mind. I thought you wanted to help with the mission, so...
Of course I want to help you.
Then if you want to help, go and eat your breakfast with Dad and then go to the warehouse with him.
Okay. Wait, you're not coming?
No, not yet. I have something urgent in the lab.
Really? What is it? Can I watch?
End of discussion. Willie.
Come on, please. Just 5 minutes.
Okay, then you win. But don't touch anything on your father's desk.
Huh?
Yeah, especially that.
Mom?
Don't worry, Willie.
Whoa.
Here, watch.
Thanks, Mom.
By the way, there's a little side effect, but you're in luck. I just made a dose of the antidote.
What for? I'm feeling just fine.
Here, drink this.